Hello, Mayan. Good evening. Can you hear me well, Mayan?
Hello,
Hello,
teacher.
Mayan. Oh, yes, there you are. Can you hear me well?
Yes, I can hear you.
All right, very good. Okay, but thank you so much for agreeing with me to have a makeup class tonight. And I apologize because I changed our schedule. Supposedly, we would have our regular class yesterday, right? But I was so busy and I had other things to do. So we agreed to have it yesterday late at night, but you were also busy too. So that's why we are here now. All right. So thank you so much for making time to join my class tonight, May Ann. I appreciate it because I know that you are also a busy student. Anyway, how's everything going with your life, May Ann?
Everything is okay.
Wow, that's wonderful to hear. Okay, so what did you have for dinner tonight?
I ate some fish and a soup.
You mean sausage?
I ate fish and some soup.
Okay, fish and some soup. Great. Okay, so that's nice. That's nice, Mayan. Anyway, today we are now in Unit 7. I want you to look at the picture. Okay, what can you see in the picture, Mayan?
The girls are very tired and she had to do and I think she feels stressed.
Hmm. All right. So, yes, you're correct. Like she looks very tired and she has to do or she had to do a lot of things. Okay. So, by just looking at the picture, Mayan, can you make a guess what the topic is all about for tonight?
I think it's stress.
Yes, that's right. It is all about stress. Okay. So, when was the last time, Mayan, that you felt stress?
Mm, I think stress make the people are very tired and they feel strong in this in their work.
Yes, that's correct. Okay, so stress makes us feel very exhausted every day. If we have so much things to do, we end up being stressed because we cannot handle it all. Okay, but you know what? There are always things that we can actually do to get rid of stress. Okay, can you still remember the time that you were so stressed, Mayan? What did you do in that situation?
I think we uh and listen to music and I think we walk around my house and call with my friend.
Wow, very good. Okay, so yes, that actually helps. Go to your friends, listen to music. So those are ways that we can actually reduce our stress in life. Nice, Mayan. Now, let's of course, okay, we have three objectives: listening, reading, vocabs, pronunciation, and we'll have a short discussion at the end. Okay, so let's look at this listening first. I will let you listen, Mayan, and you can actually share to me what have you understood from this audio. And if at first try everything is not clear for you, you can actually ask me to play it again. Okay, here it is, Mayan.
Sorry, teacher, I can't hear anything.
I'm sorry, Mayan.
I
Wait a minute.
can't hear.
Let me try to share it again. I probably yes. That's right. You couldn't hear because I forgot to share the sound. Okay. So sorry for that. So here it is, Mayan. Let me try to play it here.
Listenaminute.com. Stress. Stress.
Can
Nasty
you
thing.
hear?
I hate being stressed,
Yes,
but I'm not sure why. The stress disappears and then everything is back to normal. I need to tell myself that the stress nasty thing. Listenaminute.com. Stress. Stress. Nasty thing. I hate being stressed, but I'm not sure why. The stress disappears and then everything is back to normal. I need to tell myself that the stressful situation will be over soon. I wonder if people are more stressed today than they were 100 years ago. I think they probably are. There are more things to get stressed about these days. Exams, money, jobs, trains, anything and everything. I get stressed when I have to meet a deadline and the time is running out. Fortunately, there are many things to do to get rid of stress. I reduce my stress by chatting with friends or going for a run. Life seems better then. I wonder what will give me stress next. I'll get my running shoes ready so I can manage it.
Do you want to listen again, Mayan?
yes, teacher.
Okay, here it is, Mayan.
Listenaminute.com. Stress. Stress. Nasty thing. I hate being stressed, but I'm not sure why. The stress disappears and then everything is back to normal. I need to tell myself that the stressful situation will be over soon. I wonder if people are more stressed today than they were 100 years ago. I think they probably are. There are more things to get stressed about these days. Exams, money, jobs, trains, anything and everything. I get stressed when I have to meet a deadline and the time is running out. Fortunately, there are many things to do to get rid of stress. I reduce my stress by chatting with friends or going for a run. Life seems better then. I wonder what will give me stress next. I'll get my running shoes ready so I can manage it.
What about that one, Mayan? Were you able to understand what the man said in the audio?
Yes, teacher.
All right. So obviously, he talks about stress. So what else did he say, Mayan?
Um, the man say, uh, he hates stress, but he don't know why he hates that. And he feels stressed when he have a deadline, so he reduce stress by chatting with his friend or running.
That's right. Very good. So you were able to give me 3 points. Like he doesn't know why he's feeling stressed. That's 1 point. Okay, second, like why his no, like he gave one of the situation what makes him feel stressed. Like when needs to meet a deadline. And lastly, you told me that one of his ways to reduce stress is to chat with his friends and go for a run. So very good, Mayan. Now this time, I will let you read this short text.
Uh, 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 Stress. Nasty thing. I hate being stressed, but I'm not sure why. The stress disappears and then everything is back to normal. I need to tell myself that the stressful situation will be over soon. I wonder if people are more stressed today than they were 100 years ago. I think they probably are. There are more things to get stressed about these days: exams, money, jobs, train, uh, trains, anything and everything. I get stressed when I have to meet a deadline and the time is running out. Fortunately, there are many things to do to get rid of stress. I reduce my stress by chatting with friends or going for a run. Life seems better then. I wonder what will give me stress next. I'll get my running shoes ready so I can manage it.
Very good. Thank you so much for reading this one. So far, so good. All pronunciation and intonations are correct, Mayan. So well done for that one. Now, let me just ask you three questions about this text to see if you really understand what you've read. Okay, so why does the man hate being stressed?
What can you say again?
Okay, first question, why does the man hate being stressed?
Mm, I think because the stress disappears and everything is back to normal.
All right. Actually, okay, even the man doesn't know why he hates stress. That's why he said, I hate being stressed, but I'm not sure why. So, how to answer my question? So, my question is, why does the man hate being stressed? Then you can say, um, it's not stated in the text. Even the man is not sure why he hates stress, like that. Okay, so second question, May Ann. Okay, so give me one thing that makes the man stress.
Mm, I think like when he have to meet a deadline.
That's right. Very good. Okay, then last question. What does the man need to tell himself?
Mm, I think himself. Uh, I think he need to get his running shoes ready so he can manage it.
All right. So here is the answer. He needs to tell himself that the stressful situation will be over soon. Like that. Okay. Now, Here, Mayan, let's look at each of the words. So I want you to look, listen, and repeat after me. Then we'll make a sentence each. Okay. So the first phrase is nasty thing.
Nasty thing.
Great. Okay. So when we say nasty thing, this is an awful thing. Yeah. So that's very simple. Awful things, nasty means bad. Okay. So we just say bad thing or awful thing. Okay, like for example, nasty thing. Uh, okay, like breaking a promise is a nasty thing to do. So what's your sentence?
Mm, I think uh, wear a dress is a nasty thing to me.
All right. Okay. Now we also have here back to normal. I think I think you know the meaning of it, Mayan. So this time I will let you tell me the meaning of back to normal. What does this mean, Mayan?
Mm, is when we have stress, we feel very tired and we need to uh happy way and we need to happy so it's back to normal.
All right. So that is your sentence. Okay, but you haven't defined what does it mean yet. So when we say I'm back to normal, that means we are going to return to the usual situation. Okay, can you still remember the time during COVID, Mayan?
Yes.
Can you still remember the time during COVID?
Uh, yes, teacher.
Yes. So during COVID, all places were locked down. We cannot go out, right? So we were just staying at home, no school. Most of the employees don't go to work. They were just working from home. Okay, but after the COVID or after the lockdown, everything was back to normal. So back to normal means returning to the usual conditions. Is that clear?
Yes, teacher.
All right. Now we also have here meet a deadline. So of course, could you please tell me, Mayan, what does meet a deadline mean?
Need deadline. I think um wait I think when we have a job and we have some uh and we have some wait uh
Okay. Actually, when we meet a deadline, it's not only in a job setting. Even when you are a student, there is always a deadline. Okay, a deadline to submit your homework. If your teacher will ask you in English, okay, Mayan, make an essay to be submitted on Friday, 12 a.m. Okay, so for example, 12 a.m. is the Friday. The deadline is what's the date tomorrow? Tomorrow is November 14. All right, 2024. Then your teacher will tell you, okay, Mayan, so the essay's deadline is November 14, 2024 at 3 p.m. Okay, but you submitted your essay tomorrow. Okay, you submitted your essay on the same day, November 14, but 5 o'clock. Okay, does it mean that you meet the deadline? Yes or no? Okay,
Yes,
if you
teacher.
submitted the homework at 5 o'clock on November 14, okay, did you meet the deadline? Yes or no, Mayan?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, look at this example. If the deadline is on November 14 at 3 p.m., okay, then you submitted your homework on the same day, November 14, but 5 p.m. Now, my question is, did you meet the deadline? Yes or no?
No, teacher.
Actually, no. When we say meet the deadline, here is the deadline. We have to meet this. Okay. So again, meet the deadline means to finish something by a set of time. So to meet the deadline, that means we should have submitted it at 2:50 p.m. before the deadline or exactly 3 p.m. on November 14. Is everything clear, Mayan?
Yes, teacher.
So that is meet a deadline. Like for example, another example. Okay, um, tomorrow I think I have to work late at night to meet the deadline of all my homework. So what's your sentence, Mayan?
Um, we have homework and we meet a deadline in tomorrow.
All right. Then we have here the time is running out. So that means there isn't much time left. For example, oh, we need to hurry. The time is running out. That means no more time left. So what's your sentence, Mayan?
Mm, I think the time is running out when we does a homework.
Yes, all right. So another example of the time is running out. Oh, the test was so hard and I couldn't get the correct answer because the time is running out. Like that. Okay, then we have here get rid of stress.
Get rid of stress.
All right. So when we get rid of stress, that means we're going to remove the stress that we have. Okay, for example, exercise can help get rid of stress. Oh, again, exercise can help us to get rid of stress. So what's your sentence?
Mm, I listen to music because I need to get rid of stress.
Yes, very good. Okay. Now we also have here reduce stress. Okay. So, or relieve stress. This is when we make stress less intense. It's like we are going to make, what do we call that one? We're going to ease the stress that we feel. Okay. This is actually, get rid and reduce are not the same. Get rid, okay, that means the stress level is zero. You don't want to deal with it. So zero. Okay, but if you say reduce stress, Okay, from 100, your stress is 25. Is that um is it clear for you, Mayan? I only made that one so that you can clearly understand the difference of get rid and reduce stress. All right?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. So my example is meditation can help us to relieve our stress. So what's your sentence?
I think uh, I'm swimming or reading books to reduce stress.
All right. Then we have get my running shoes ready. What does that mean, May Anya? That's very simple.
Uh, or I don't know, teacher. No, I don't know, teacher.
It's all right. Okay, thank you for your honesty that you don't know this one. So when we say get my running shoes ready, okay, so let's define running shoes first. So we have shoes. Okay, so school shoes, shoes that we use to go to school. What about running shoes? So, of course, the shoes that we use when we go for a run. That is running shoes. But if you say, get my running shoes ready, that means you're going to prepare your running shoes. Prepare the shoes that you wear when you go for a run. Like that. Okay, so for example, um, my brother needs to get his running shoes ready for the marathon. So what is your sentence, Mayan?
Mm, wait, I think I need to get my running shoe ready to study. Hello, teacher.
Yes, Mayan. What's your sentence?
My sentence is I get my running shoe ready to study.
Oh, wait a minute. Say that again. Okay, by the way, we are still here in get my running shoes ready. So what's your sentence for that one?
Uh, uh, wait a minute. Since uh I get my running shoes ready when I feel
Okay. Now we also have here stressful.
stressful.
Okay. So w- stressful, how do I say this one? In a simple way, okay, stressful means you are very tense or it is causing so much stress on you. That is stressful. Okay, to make it simpler, stressful is opposite of relaxing. Okay, that means stressful. Okay, so stressful means not relaxing. All right.
Yes.
Okay. So by the way, Mayan, I want you to enter again because my Zoom will automatically end. So please enter again so that we can have another 30 minutes class. Okay, so see you later, Mayan.